So this is first cell, this is second cell. So the two cells, when I join the two cells, it becomes a battery. So in the diagram, you can see a battery of 3 volt is connected along with the key. A key is connected. Key का क्या function होता है? Like your switch, open and close. Today I will be sharing one practical or experiment to verify Ohm's law. All of you should watch that, okay? Verification of Ohm's law. In my previous classes we have discussed Ohm's law, that is V is equal to IR. So in today's class I will be sharing the same. I'll send the link, okay? So in this circuit basically क्या एक बैटरी है, एक यहाँ पे की है और एक एमीटर है. What is the function of ammeter? Can anyone tell me the function of ammeter? Yes. Any other student? Very good, Adesh. Any other student? Sahil Preet Kaur. Yes. Can you hear me? Sahil, you are not in the class. Sumandeep Kaur. Yes. It helps to measure the. Very good. It helps to measure the current. ये करंट बताता है हमें. एमीटर इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. सीरीज का क्या मतलब है? देखिए यहाँ से आपका करंट एंटर कर रहा है, फिर एमीटर के अंदर जा रहा है और एमीटर के अंदर से होता हुआ फिर वो आगे बढ़ रहा है. करंट डिवाइड नहीं हुआ. बैटरी से आया, बैटरी से आकर के आपका जो करंट है वो सीधा एमीटर के अंदर गया, एमीटर से फिर आगे गया. तो एमीटर इज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. क्लियर? यस. It will burn out. I will explain why not to connect ammeter in parallel. Okay, first I will explain this device. Okay, it will burn out. You just try to understand. Now you try to understand what in the diagram. A battery is given, a key is given. Now you are having ammeter connected here and two resistors are connected. One is 10 ohm, other is 15 ohm. So two resistors are connected and this is the circuit he had shown us. And is asking few questions. First question is asking state the type of combination of two resistors in the circuit. Which type? ये कौन सा combination है? Series combination है या parallel combination है? Which combination is this? This is parallel combination. Current is dividing. Yes, when current divides, so this is parallel combination. So first answer to this question will be it is parallel combination. यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा लिखा भी हुआ है. Now the second question he is asking is how much current would flow through 10 ohm and 15 ohm resistors. How much current would flow through 10 ohm and 15 ohm resistor? कि 10 ohm और 15 ohm resistor में से कितना करंट फ्लो करेगा? क्लियर? यस और नो?
From 10 ohm to 0.3 ampere. 0.3 ampere or 15 ohm say 0.5 ampere.
Very good. You people are giving the answer. I am happy. I want all the children to give the answer. No problem. Let me explain it first. Okay, just wait for a while. Let me explain it first. Children, listen carefully. There are two resistors. One is R1, other is R2. Okay, and the two resistors, they are connected in parallel to a battery of 3 volt. And we know that if the two resistor or three resistor, how many resistors are there? If the resistors are connected in parallel, the potential difference applied across the ends of the resistor is same for all the resistors. यहाँ पर जो तीनों रजिस्टर हैं वो आपके ये दो रजिस्टर हैं, ये दोनों आपके पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड हैं. तो ये दोनों रजिस्टर जो हैं बैटरी के लेफ्ट पे जो पॉजिटिव है और इधर जो राइट पे आपका नेगेटिव कनेक्टेड है, तो दोनों को 3 वोल्ट मिल रही है. 10 ohm is also getting 3 volt, 15 ohm is also getting 3 volt potential difference. This is the most important thing in parallel combination, that in case of series potential difference is different for different resistors, but in case of parallel potential difference is same. अगर अकेला पैरेलल है, अगर पैरेलल सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन है, देन बैटरी की जो टोटल वोल्टेज है दैट विल डिवाइड इनटू सीरीज एंड पैरेलल. ओके, जैसे ये वाला जो सर्किट है यहाँ पर 10 ओम और 15 ओम को ये दोनों पैरेलल में है, तो दोनों को 3 वोल्ट का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मिल रहा है. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व. So we will be applying Ohm's law on our first circuit here, that is voltage 3 है, voltage is 3 volt, resistance is R1, it is given, R1 is 10 ohm. So let's apply V is equal to IR, this is Ohm's law. Formula we are having relation between potential difference and current. Potential difference is 3, current I need to calculate, let's mark it I1. So V is equal to I1 R1. ये वाला जो वोल्टेज है दिस इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे करंट आया आपका, डिवाइड हो गया, कुछ करंट ऊपर चला गया, कुछ करंट नीचे आ गया, जो ऊपर वाला करंट है उसको मैंने I1 मार्क किया है. आई हैव मार्क्ड दिस करंट I1. सो इन द फार्मूला आई हैव टेकन I1 into R1. So I1 into what is R1 here? You can see here R1 is 10 ohm. So R1 I will write 10 ohm here. Okay. So 3 divided by 10 is equal to I1. So it is 0.3 एम्पेयर टोटल जो फ्लो कर रहा है करंट I1 जो है 10 ओम रजिस्टर के अंदर जो करंट फ्लो कर रहा है दैट इज 0.3 एम्पेयर्स. क्लियर? एनी डाउट टिल दिस? यस स्टूडेंट्स, श्योर? एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर? अप टू दिस एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. नाउ यू सी, जो सेकेंड रजिस्टर है उसको भी आपका 3 वोल्ट मिल रहा है. सेकेंड रजिस्टर इज आल्सो गेटिंग 3 वोल्ट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, बट रजिस्टर कितना है आपका? दैट रजिस्टर इज 15 ohm. नाउ यू सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, दिस इज 3 वोल्ट, दिस इज 15 ohm. सो ये 15 ohm जो रजिस्टर है ये भी 3 वोल्ट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस गेन कर रहा है. क्लियर? सो आई विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग द सेम वे. V is equal to here, this is I1 current here and I2 current going into this side. So the total current is I will be equal to I1 plus I2. I किसकी इक्वल आएगा आपका? I1 plus I2 के. अभी I2 कैसे निकालेंगे हम लोग? यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे V is equal to I2 into R2. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस सेम है 3 I2 into R2. Now the R2 is 15. So what will happen? Your value of I2 will be equal to 3 divided by 15. You will get, what will be the answer? 1 upon 5. What will be the answer?
0.2 ampere.
0.2 ampere. Very good. 0.2 ampere. So what it exactly means? What it exactly means? It means the current entering here is 0.3 ampere and current entering here is 0.2 ampere. Okay. Now one thing I need to clear here, that the potential difference is 3 volt for R1 and R2 both. R1 is also getting 3 volt potential difference. R2 is also getting 3 volt potential difference. Now at same potential difference, current is flowing differently in R1 and R2. In R1, current is 0.3 ampere. In R2, current is 0.2 ampere. It is because resistance R1 is less as compared to resistance R2. अगर R1 का रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा होता तो यहां पर करंट कम आता आपका, बिकॉज जितना रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ता जाएगा उतना करंट आपका कम होता जाएगा. क्लियर? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Very good students, very good, very good. Let's, very good, very good. Let's move further. Now the third question is asking what would be the readings of ammeter? What would ammeter read? Ammeter reads current. So indirectly he is asking what will be the total current. Now total current की बात क्यों आई? Because ये आपका जो बैटरी से करंट निकल रहा है, look at the screen, ये बैटरी से जो करंट निकल रहा है वो पहले एमीटर में जा रहा है, then entering here, and at this junction it is dividing into two parts, here I1 and here I2. So the ammeter will be reading total current. So the total current will be equal to, total current I will be equal to I1 plus,
0.5 ampere.
very good, it will be 0.3 plus 0.2. So your answer will be 0.5 ampere. Clear? Clear students? Very good, Gungun. Very good, all the students. Very good. Oh, let's move to second question. I can see that all the students are not present. Only 51 students are there in the class. I hope there are 45 plus students in 10th C and 40 plus students in 10th B. So approximately there are 85 students in both the class. So 35 students are missing in the class and they have to give me written explanation that why they were absent today. I had marked your attendance. Now let's move to second question. This one is clear? Yes. Okay. Now this is the second question. This type of questions could be asked. Very good. This type of questions could be asked in your final examination. Like this question was asked in 2010. Now you will say it is 10 years back question. But question is a question. It can repeat also. So very important question this is. Now let's come to the question. Two conducting wires of same material, equal length and equal diameter. You are having two conducting wires of same material is सेम. पहली बात करते हैं, हमारे पास दो वायर्स हैं, कंडक्टिंग वायर्स हैं, दोनों का मटेरियल सेम है. दिस इज वायर 1, ओके, दिस इज वायर 2. Two conducting wires of same material means resistivity of the wires is same. Resistivity of the wires is same. We have read that resistance is equal to rho L upon A. Resistance depends on resistivity, resistance depends on length, and it inversely depends on area. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
So here this one, this is resistivity, okay, this is the resistivity here. So resistivity of both the wires is same, okay, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here resistivity
Yes,
of
sir.
okay, resistivity of both the wires is same. Now let's move further. He is saying that the two wires are of equal length and equal diameter. Two wires are of same length and same diameter. So ये जो लेंथ है दोनों वायर्स की, this one and this one, it is same. Diameter is also same. Okay. Why he is saying diameter? Because wire जो है आपकी गोल होती है, circular in cross section, so उसका diameter आएगा. This is diameter. So both the wires of same diameter and same length. This is length. Okay. Now you need to understand, if you are having two wires, if you are having two wires of same material, same length and same area, so the resistance of both the wires will be same. If this is having resistance R, this will also have resistance R, because we know that resistance is equal to rho L upon A. In that case, resistivity is same because material is same. Length, he has said length is equal of both the wires, and area will be equal because diameter is equal. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So here he is saying the diameter is same, so both the wires are having same resistance. So both the wires, if they are having same resistance, now let's mark, this is wire 1 having a resistance R1, wire 2 I am showing it with resistance 2. Okay, this is given. Now he is asking you something. He is asking, how does the heat produced by the combination of resistance change? Please put your phone on mute. Bhavan, put your phone on mute. He is asking you, how does the heat produced by combination of resistance change? If you connect both the wires in series, तो जो heat produce होएगी combination की, the heat produced by the combination, उसमें क्या change आएगा? He is asking this. Clear? Yes or no? Children, are you getting me? पहले हीट का फार्मूला लिखूंगा मैं यहाँ पे, मैं हीट का फार्मूला लिखूंगा, फिर आप ध्यान से समझना। हीट का फार्मूला क्या है? हीट इज इक्वल टू आई स्केयर आर टी, एच इज इक्वल टू आई स्केयर आर टी। यस और नो? यस और नो? So here I am going to expand this I into I into R into T. Okay. Now this IR, can I write V on the place of this IR? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And I also know that V is equal to IR. So your I will be equal to V upon R. Yes. So I am writing V upon R on the place of this I. Okay. So your equation becomes on the place of I. देखो यहाँ पे I मैंने V upon R लिखा है, मैं इसकी जगह I की जगह पे ये V upon R लिखने वाला हूँ यहाँ पे नीचे यहाँ पे. Okay. So I am going to write, I am writing V upon R into multiply. Now देखो IR की जगह मैंने क्या लिखा है? V. क्या लिखा है? So here I will write V into T. Now my formula for heat becomes H is equal to V square over R into T. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now H is equal to V square upon R into T. This is the formula for heat. Okay. Now I am going to raise it. Have you noted it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are having formula that if I am having a resistance R and connected to a potential difference V, so in that case this is the resistor, so heat produced will be equal to V square upon R into T. Yes or no? Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Now the second thing you need to understand, अब अगर हमारे पास two wires हैं, now if we are having two wires of resistance R and resistance R connected to a potential difference V, connected to a potential difference V, so what will be the total resistance here?
2R.
Total resistance will be 2R. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? If the two wires here R and R, if I am joining them, resistance will become 2R and voltage is V. So apply कर दो यहाँ पे formula, H is equal to V square over resistance. Resistance कितना है? 2R into T. So in that case ये जो आपका पुराने वाला resistance था उसकी वैल्यू कितनी थी? V square upon R into T. Yes. तो आपकी जो हीट है वो पुराने वाली हीट से क्या हो चुकी है? हाफ हो चुकी है. न्यू हीट इज हाफ ऑफ द प्रीवियस हीट. ओके, क्लियर? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now let's move to next question. Any doubt till this you can ask, children, you are free to ask. पूछो, डाउट्स पूछ लो अपने, फिर मैंने अगला नेक्स्ट आपको नेक्स्ट क्लास में, मैंने जो जूम क्लास नहीं होगी तो मैंने पावर वाला टॉपिक करवा देना आपको, एंड विद दैट आवर चैप्टर विल बी फिनिश्ड. ओके, then let's move to this question. Can you see this question? टोटल रेजिस्टेंस बताना है, टोटल रेजिस्टेंस बताना है इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर. So here the battery connected is, sorry, it is V voltage connected. So करंट आपका कहाँ से शुरू होएगा? पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से शुरू होगा. पहले 3 ओम में जाएगा. First it will enter into 3 ohm, then again it will enter into 3 ohm, then it will divide 2 ओम में और नीचे वाले 2 ओम में डिवाइड हो जाएगा. फिर इस पॉइंट पे आके इकट्ठा हो जाएगा आपका करंट. Then after that it will divide into this line and this line, and again it will collect here and will enter into the negative terminal. So we need to understand here that 3 ohm, this 3 ohm and this 3 ohm both are in series. This 2 ohm and 2 ohm are in parallel. This 1 ohm and 1 ohm are in parallel. Hardik, put your phone on mute. Do you have any doubts? Up to this, you have any doubt? Yes. Up to this, you have doubt? I can't. Okay, okay. So current is entering from this portion to this. Then it is entering into here. Then it is dividing into two portions. Then again collecting here. Then again dividing into two portions. Then again collecting here and then entering into the battery. So ये जो आपका this 3 ohm and this 3 ohm, they are in series. So ये सीधा ऐड हो जाएंगे. 3 plus 3 कितने हो जाएंगे? 6. Yes or no? Now this 2 ohm and 2 ohm are in parallel. So I will be writing 1 over Rp is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So my answer will be 1 over Rp will be equal to 1 by 1. Yes or no? So Rp is equal to 1 ohm. मीन्स इन दोनों का जो कंबाइंड इफेक्ट आएगा वो 1 ओम आएगा. इन दोनों का क्या आएगा? 1 ओवर 1 प्लस 1 ओवर. इनका करके देखोगे तो 1 ओवर Rp is equal to 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1. So it will become 1 over Rp is equal to 1 by 2. No, 2 by 1. 1 और 1 ऐड हो जाएगा ना. 2 by 1. So Rp आएगा आपका 1 by 2. 0.5. 0. Clear? Yes स्टूडेंट्स. तो इन दोनों का जो कंबाइंड इफेक्ट आया आपके पास यहाँ पर, that is 0.5 ohm. Okay. Now this is 1 ohm. This is 0.5 ohm, and the combination this combination is having 6 ohm. Now the circuit will become, this circuit will become like this: 6 ohm, 1 ohm, 0.5 ohm connected to battery. Potential difference V.
Equivalent resistance 7.5.
So the total, they are connected in series. So total resistance is 7 plus 0.5. 7 कहाँ से आया? 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus half. The total resistance in series will be 7 point. Total resistance in series will be 7.5 ohm. Clear? Clear students?
Yes, sir.
Now this is your homework. Write this question. This is your homework. Have you noted this?